The science of knowledge communication is evolving, with digital media transforming how knowledge can and should be shared. Communicating knowledge using diverse formats increases accessibility, reaching different audiences and accommodating varied learning needs. For World EBHC Day 2025, we present one example of how we share methodological guidance for conducting scoping reviews. Scoping reviews are a useful approach for evidence synthesis. We break down the process of beginning and completing a scoping review using JBI methodology. Consult with interest holders. Begin with, what do interest holders need? Best practice is to consult with interest holders throughout the scoping review process, from question development to dissemination. Decide approach. Is a scoping review appropriate? Conduct a scoping review if the aim is to identify the type of evidence available or knowledge gaps. You seek to clarify key concepts, definitions, characteristics, or factors. You intend to examine how research is conducted. Build the right team. Establish a team of reviewers. Identify your librarian or information specialist. Access databases. Find methodology support. Develop protocol. A protocol reduces the risk of ad hoc decision-making. Follow step-by-step guidance for developing a scoping review protocol in the JBI Manual for Evidence Synthesis. Register and/or publish your protocol. Register your protocol with Figshare or Open Science Framework to keep the research process transparent and to reduce research waste, or publish your protocol in any specialty journal. Conduct your scoping review. Follow step-by-step guidance to search, select, extract, analyse, present, and summarise evidence. Report according to PRISMA SCR and be sure to keep consulting with interest holders. Publish and disseminate your scoping review. You have completed your scoping review. Time to publish in JBI Evidence Synthesis or specialty journals and disseminate your work. Detailed step-by-step guidance is available in the JBI Manual for Evidence Synthesis. Find more examples of how we share methodological guidance for conducting scoping reviews on our Scoping Review playlist on YouTube and on the Scoping Review network. See the description for links.